ठीक है, अब अगर किसी ने वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करना हो या वो जो वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं लोग, उनके लिए कुछ कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जो उनको पता होने चाहिए। सबसे पहले तो रेस्ट डेज कितने होने चाहिए, लाइक अगर एक वीक में हम कितने दिन है जो वर्कआउट करें, और रेस्ट डेज कितने होने चाहिए?
ये रेस्ट और रिकवरी एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है जो बहुत लोग निगलेक्ट करते हैं। लोगों को लगता है नहीं, मैं जितना ज़्यादा काम करूँगा, जितने ज़्यादा घंटे जिम में बिताऊंगा, उतना जल्दी रिजल्ट्स आएंगे। वो गलत है। जब आप जिम में वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, बॉडी में दो अलग फेजेस होते हैं। एक होता है कैटाबॉलिक फेज, एक होता है एनाबॉलिक फेज। कैटाबॉलिक फेज का मतलब वो है कि जहाँ चीज़ें टूटती हैं। तो व्हेन यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग, व्हेन यू आर ट्रेनिंग, व्हेन यू आर लिफ्टिंग वेट्स, your body is actually in a catabolic state, which means all the cells, the muscle tissues, everything are breaking down to release energy so that you can train.
Right.
The anabolic phase actually happens when you eat and when you sleep, when you rest. So that is why, of course, your nutrition is number one priority after training, making sure that you eat the right kind of nutrition.
Okay.
And getting the right amount of sleep or rest is important, because तभी जाके आपकी बॉडी जो आपने ट्रेन किया है वहाँ वो मसल्स रिपेयर हो पाएंगे, वहाँ रिकवरी हो पाएगी, वहाँ पर ग्रोथ होगा। नहीं तो आप यूल जस्ट कीप वंडरिंग कि यार मैं आई एम ट्रेनिंग 6 days 7 days a week, आई एम डूइंग सो मच, व्हाई इजंट माय बॉडी चेंजिंग? ऑल्सो फटीग जो होती है, again, it slowly builds up. If there's no rest days, eventually, or maybe due to other aspects of life also, people can go through chronic fatigue. Then it hits a point where your body just never recovers.
Really?
You wake up tired, you're always tired, body mein energy nahi hai, and that takes a very long time to recover from. And
so it should be done in a regular interval.
So normally we say 3 days on, 1 day off.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग के लिए, कोई लोग होते हैं बोलते सर मैं वीकेंड पे I'd like to spend time with the family. Okay, then train from Monday to Friday, take the Saturday Sunday off.
Is that okay? Like
Absolutely.
if they train for 5 days regular and then they
see everybody's body is completely different. ऐसे बहुत सारे एथलीट्स हैं जो 1 day वर्क 1 day रेस्ट, 1 day वर्क 1 day रेस्ट करते हैं। ऐसे बहुत हैं जो 3 दिन, हफ्ते में सिर्फ 2 या 3 दिन वर्कआउट करते हैं, and their body responds.
So this is just a personal choice, या फिर ये डिपेंड करता है हमारा गोल क्या है?
For the average person, at least 2 days of rest is good.
Is recommended.
Also depending on the intensity. अगर आप बहुत hard train कर रहे हो, then I would suggest कि every third day or after every 3 days you take a day off.
Okay.
If you're a beginner, you're not really reached that intensity part yet. तो मैं beginners को 3 चीज़ बोलता हूँ. When you enter the gym, there are 3 things that you have to focus on. First is your technique and form.
Yeah.
पहले 1 महीना 2 महीना just spend on getting your technique right, your form right.
Should be right.
It has to be. आपको लाइफ पर ट्रेनर के साथ काम नहीं करना है, मत करो, बट पहले के 2-3 महीने तो आप उतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो कि एटलीस्ट वो जो आप सीख रहे हो सही से सीखो। उसके बाद आती है कंसिस्टेंसी, जिसका मतलब है कि आपका जो फर्स्ट रेप है, अगर मैं आपको 100 रेप कराऊं, आपका फर्स्ट रेप और 100 रेप looks exactly the same.
Okay.
Of course, there will be muscle fatigue,
but range of motion.
But range of motion, the form, the technique should be precise from first rep to the 100th rep. मतलब मैं अगर आपको रात को भी नींद में से उठाऊं, बोलूं पुश अप करो, तो you know exactly by default your hands go in the right position, feet go in the right position, you're able to do a push up.
Yeah.
Then comes intensity.
Okay.
Then you will start adding weights, you'll go heavier, you'll do more sets, you'll do more volume.
Okay.
तो ये जो फॉर्म वाला फेज और जो कंसिस्टेंसी वाला फेज है, दैट्स नॉट गोना बी वेरी इंटेंस फॉर अ बिगिनर. तो वहाँ पर अगर somebody even trains for 6 days, it will be fine.
Okay.
Again, I don't know the person, they know themselves better. अगर कभी बॉडी बोलती है कि आज थोड़ा थका हुआ हूँ, don't force it. Take a break, take a rest.
Okay.
Some days it's absolutely fine to take a rest. And ऐसे नहीं है कि every day you'll wake up and the body will feel great. Some days you won't feel that good. और अगर जिम जाना ही है और अपना 100% देना ही है, तो उस दिन रेस्ट ले लो. उस दिन मे बी गो फॉर अ वॉक, मसाज ले लो, Just do an activity which is not maybe as strenuous.
Yes, yeah. Or maybe just do some like deep stretching.
Stretching कर लो, yoga कर लो, maybe don't do anything.
Yeah, yeah.
तो वो सब ये सब these are things which as a beginner
बट अगर हम एक जेनेरिक बात करें तो हफ्ते में अगर आप 2 दिन का ब्रेक लेते हो और
आइडियल, इट्स गुड,
5 डेज अगर आप जाते हो वर्कआउट करते हो, इट्स आइडियल. सो आई फॉलो मंडे टू फ्राइडे, आई एम रेगुलर, एंड सैटरडे संडे आई टेक अ ब्रेक, एंड दैट एक्चुअली रेजुविनेट्स मी, एंड मैं पूरी तरह रिलैक्स फील करती हूँ. मंडे आई एम इक्वली लाइक सेम मोटिवेटेड टू हिट द जिम अगेन.
करेक्ट. सी बिकॉज अगेन आपने बोला मेरे लिए,
हाँ, so मेरे लिए this works.
Exactly. Yeah. So that word is very important. People need to understand कि there हम लोग जो भी बात कर रहे हैं ये basic foundations और fundamentals है.
True.
ये fundamentals और ये foundations को mind में रखते हुए अभी आप अपनी routine बनाओ.
Yeah.
अगर like you said, you know, if that person is working 10 hours, 8 hours shift, 9 hours, whatever, 12 hours shifts, needs to spend time at home.
Exactly.
You might not be able to spend an hour. I tell people working out for an hour is a luxury. Not everyone can afford that luxury. And science has proven that if somebody wants the health benefits of exercise, even 2 to 3 days of 30 minutes of weight training will give you that benefit. Aesthetically, you might not reach that goal faster.
But in order to be fit.
Yes, to be healthy,
yeah,
it will help. So for a lot of people out there, I know IT industry है, government jobs है, there are even entrepreneurs who've maybe started their own business. They might not get an hour to train. सबके बिल्डिंग में जिम नहीं होता, सबके घर में जिम नहीं होता, किसी को 10-15 मिनट easily travel करना पड़ता है. तो taking everything into consideration.
So ideally it is said that if you do any kind of physical activity for 150 minutes or between 150 minutes to 200 minutes in a week, you are like active. 200 you are moderately active, and 300 or more you are good active.
See, इसमें वापस एक थोड़ा सा ग्रे एरिया है. आप अपने कुत्ते को भी वॉक पे लेके जाओगे तो वो एक्टिविटी है, बट वो एक्टिविटी से कुछ एस्थेटिक बेनिफिट्स नहीं आने वाली. सो वेयर दे से बी एक्टिव, yes you definitely, and this the 10,000 steps का जो ये जो निकला है recently, it is mainly to get people to be active. कि आप जिम नहीं जा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, no problem, get your 10,000 steps.
वो थोड़ा gamify कर दिया उसको.
Correct. That 10,000 steps definitely will, see, because health wise, heart needs to work, joints need to work, everything needs to work. That movement definitely causes some benefits inside the body. तो इसीलिए वो एक्टिविटी के लिए बोला है कि 10,000 steps करो. For the average person, activity has to be there, movement has to be there. Lekin, that's not the complete picture. India, as a majority of the population in the world, is one of the biggest populations that is technically not healthy because of no weight training. These are all proper facts which are there.
So unfortunate.
But you'll be surprised. We were in Hyderabad. We were in some really small town, and I showed Vrinda a gym. This gym was like had a glass door. It was a very small town. Or there was this lady training in her salwar kameez and sari and everything. I mean, जहाँ पर लोगों को करना है वहाँ लोग करते हैं. Unfortunately, कोई बात नहीं है इसमें. There are people who understand the benefit of weight training. Exactly. They've experienced it. They've seen it. They can use logic and justify it.
Justify it, right.
We just need to get out to the public and say कि घर पे लाओ ना dumbbells. थोड़ा सा bicep करो, थोड़े से squats करो.
Or it does not even require so many equipments.
Nothing.
Basic simple dumbbells, a resistant band.
Correct.
will do the job.
And then when you're doing say 15 minutes of weight training along with 150 minutes of activity, and now this 15 minutes can be included in that 150 minutes, so baki bacha, you go for a walk, you go cycle with your friends or whatever, you play a little bit of a sport, pickleball, jo bhi aapko khelna khel liya. Now you can say that somewhere your physical need to be healthy is somewhere complete.
Somewhere met. Okay.
But weight training is a very very crucial part because muscle plays a very important role in general health,
Yeah.
in longevity, in blood pressure control, in insulin sensitivity, in blood glucose levels, maintaining blood glucose levels, heart health, bone density, everything. There's so much
Everything.
more.
Yes.